and I never shall forget, for incidentally that's the night we met. And when it rains in London, you can bet it really rains. For all I know, it may be raining yet. She was a shy little maid in distress, with not a cab or omnibus in view. So I played the part of a gentleman, I said, my umbrella's made for two. Well, she took my arm so gently, and I walked her to her door. I kissed her, and she sort of held me tight. So now we're to be married, and I'm more than thankful for London on a rainy night. She was in an awful muddle, stepping into every puddle. Oh, 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 things look rather bad. Yes, sir, things look bad. Did she offer much resistance when you offered your assistance? Oh, no. She was mighty glad. She was glad. She was a shy little maid in distress, with not a cab or omnibus in view. So I played the part of a gentleman, and I said, my umbrella's made for two. Well, she took my arm so gently, and I walked her to her door. I kissed her, and she sort of held me tight. So now we're to be married, and I'm more than thankful for London on a rainy night. London on a rainy night.
What I used to be when I used to be young and gay. I'm not quite what I used to be. I've altered in every way. I don't seem to walk with quite as much grace. My figure's all altered, I've lines in my face, and my figure, it's dropped to a very strange place. I'm not quite what I used to be. We are not quite what we used to be when we were in our prime. We are not quite what we used to be, but our charms, they are still sublime. Perhaps it's through sticking to our duty that we've borne and lost quite a